Good morning. I am heading to church. Our church youth director had coordinated a beach day for families and their kids today. We were thinking about going, but hadn't really planned very well, and I have to be in church, and it's happening like starting during church, and then people are just staying and having a beach day. And they're doing some sort of a little, I wouldn't call it a church service. They're doing sort of a, Vesper in the morning devotional or something with some songs. But this morning I got a notification that there's a beach hazard statement. So I think that we will not join them if they even go, because I don't really feel like going to the beach whenever no one can get in the water. Alrighty, we are headed to the gym to have a swim. And, yes, I'm wearing sleeves. It's only 73 degrees outside, and it's kind of windy and crisp out. I'm still wearing shorts, which might be a horrible mistake once I've gone swimming. But we'll see. I'm breaking the law, the rules of the gym again, because there's another little Jesus in my locker. He is very happy. All right, we are watching A Complete Unknown, and
starring Julian.
Timothée Chalamet. Every time we see Timothée Chalamet in anything, it's freaky, because just the way he acts. I don't know. It's weird. It's like watching Julian. Final clip. So A Complete Unknown is a fabulous movie. If you haven't seen it, I highly recommend it. Timothée Chalamet is a really great actor. And I hope that someday he and Julian can play brothers or cousins or something. Or even, Julian could be his body double, because it's freakish. It is absolutely freakish. So, yeah. All right. So tomorrow is Monday, and I am meeting my friend Megan so I can catch up and hear all about her vacation. She was out of town for quite a while, and I want to hear all about it. I have work that needs to get done. I have errands to run. I do need to book a hotel room because we're going to a private showing of Gabriel's latest movie. So, yeah, there's just a lot of stuff clicking. So until tomorrow.
Hasta mañana.